ZABBIX is an open-source monitoring solution designed to monitor the performance and availability of various IT resources, including networks, servers, applications, and cloud services. It provides a comprehensive set of features for monitoring and alerting, making it a popular choice for IT administrators, system administrators, and DevOps teams. Key features and components of ZABBIX monitoring include 1. Data collection. ZABBIX collects data from monitored devices and systems using various protocols such as SNMP, or Simple Network Management Protocol, JMX, or Java Management Extensions, IPMI, meaning Intelligent Platform Management Interface, and custom agents. 2. Agent-based monitoring. ZABBIX can deploy agents on monitored devices to collect detailed metrics and data. These agents send information to the ZABBIX server, enabling more granular and real-time monitoring. 3. Network discovery. ZABBIX can automatically discover and add new devices to the monitoring system through network discovery. This feature is helpful in dynamic environments where new devices are added or removed regularly. 4. Templates and triggering. ZABBIX uses templates to define sets of monitoring parameters and thresholds. Triggers are conditions defined in these templates that, when met, generate alerts or notifications. This allows users to set up monitoring configurations quickly and efficiently. 5. Performance monitoring. ZABBIX monitors various performance metrics, including CPU usage, memory utilization, network traffic, disk space, and more. It provides historical data and trends for performance analysis. 6. Alerting and notifications. ZABBIX supports flexible alerting mechanisms. When predefined trigger conditions are met, ZABBIX can send notifications via email, SMS, or other methods. Users can define escalation levels and dependencies to optimize alerting workflows. 7. Graphs and visualization. ZABBIX provides graphical representations of monitored data through customizable dashboards and graphs. Users can create visualizations to analyze trends, compare metrics, and troubleshoot performance issues. 8. Web monitoring. ZABBIX can perform web monitoring to check the availability and response time of web applications. It simulates user interactions with web pages and alerts administrators if issues are detected. 9. Capacity planning. ZABBIX helps in capacity planning by providing insights into resource usage trends. This allows organizations to anticipate and address potential capacity issues before they impact performance. 10. Reporting. ZABBIX allows users to generate reports based on historical data. These reports can be used for performance analysis, compliance tracking, and capacity planning. 11. Security. ZABBIX supports secure communication between components and provides role-based access control, RBAC, to restrict access to monitoring data and configurations based on user roles. 12. Integration with external systems. ZABBIX can be integrated with external systems and tools, allowing users to extend its capabilities. It supports integrations with notification services, messaging platforms, and other monitoring solutions. ZABBIX is known for its scalability, flexibility, and extensive feature set. It is suitable for organizations of various sizes and industries that need a robust and customizable monitoring solution to ensure the reliability and performance of their IT infrastructure.